In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into your Wise account. Whether you're a frequent user of Wise or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each and every step to ensure your money is deposited smoothly and efficiently. We'll begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the search bar and type in Wise. Typically, the first result that pops up will lead you to where you need to go, and in most cases, the URL will be wise.com. Click on that link to navigate to the official Wise webpage. Now that you're on the Wise homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You should see a login button somewhere towards the top of the page. Click on that, and when prompted, enter your login credentials. Remember that your credentials are what keeps your account safe, so make sure to enter them accurately and securely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your account dashboard. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either click on Add Money, or if you know which currency you want to top up, simply tap on that currency. This allows you to add funds directly in the currency of your choice. Now, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to deposit and select the currency that corresponds to the deposit. After entering the amount, click Continue to move forward in the process. At this point, it's important to confirm the currency and ensure it aligns with your intended transaction. Next, you'll have the option to adjust your currency if needed and choose your preferred payment method. Wise offers several methods, including bank transfer and e-wallet options. This flexibility can be particularly useful if you need to manage funds from various sources. As you proceed, take note of the information provided regarding the expected delivery time of your transfer, as well as any associated fees or taxes. This transparency can be helpful in planning your finances accordingly. With all this information at your fingertips, click Continue twice. This action will push your transaction along the next stages of processing. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. Wise will guide you through any remaining steps, ensuring you understand each part of the process. There you have it, a thorough walkthrough on how to deposit money into your Wise account. Remember to double-check your entries and review the details before finalizing the transaction. By taking a moment to verify each step, you can ensure your money is transferred successfully and arrives where it needs to be without any hitches. Thank you for watching, and happy banking with Wise.